Hey guys, is Lovable actually worth it in 2026? Short answer, yes, for a very specific kind of person, and no for everyone else. And in this Lovable AI review, I will show you exactly which one you are. If you do decide to try it, the link in my description gets you the best price available right now. So, what is Lovable? You describe an app in plain English, and it builds the whole thing. Not a template, but a working web app with a front end, a database, user logins, and a live link at the end. You type something like, I want a booking site for my studio where clients pick a time and leave a deposit. And a few minutes later, you are clicking through it. It is the fastest way I have seen to get from an idea in your head to a real thing on the internet. 8 million people have signed up, and it is valued at over $6 billion. So it is not going anywhere. Here is what actually matters once you are inside. Before it builds, Lovable can offer you a few design directions to choose from, instead of you accepting whatever the AI felt like that day. The backend is built in, and that is the real unlock. Your database, your logins, your file storage, and your secret keys all live inside the project, so you are not wiring up 3 services before you have a homepage. Your code syncs to your own GitHub account, so you own what it writes and you can walk away with it. The upgrade nobody mentions is search. The old complaint about these tools was that the sites they built were invisible to Google. New Lovable apps now render on the server, so search engines and AI crawlers get readable pages from the first request. There is also Semrush-powered search research built into the platform at no extra cost for now, which matters more than another chat feature if you are building a business. Now the honest part, and there is a lot of it, Lovable runs on credits, and every message costs some. A small styling change is under 1 credit, adding a login system is a bit more, a full landing page with images is around 2. That sounds cheap until you hit a bug, because a debugging loop burns credits on every attempt, including the attempts that do not work. The free plan gives you 5 credits a day, capped at about 30 a month, which is enough to test the platform and nowhere near enough to ship. Paid starts at $25 a month for 100 credits, and most people building something real burn those in a week. Extra credits are $15 for 50, and your hosting bills on top once the app gets real traffic. The sticker price is the starting point, not the budget. The second thing is where it stops. Lovable gets you most of the way there, and the last 20 or 30% is the grind. Custom logic, awkward edge cases, anything unusual, and you are either learning to read the code or hiring someone who can. Plenty of people prototype here, export to GitHub, and finish somewhere else. That is not a failure, it is just the honest workflow. And you need to hear this one. Security researchers have reported 3 separate access control problems on the platform in about 13 months. The best known was a scan of roughly 1,600 Lovable apps that found about 1 in 10 had a database sitting wide open, because every table needs a row-level security rule switched on by hand, and AI-generated code does not always add it. Lovable disputes how that was labeled, and says your app data is your responsibility. And to be fair, they have since built security scanning and penetration testing into the platform. But here is the practical version. If your app touches real customer data, turn row-level security on for every table and check it yourself instead of asking the AI whether it did it. Never paste a live key or a real password into the chat and get someone to look at it before you launch. That is true of every AI builder, but it matters more here because Lovable makes it easy to ship something you do not understand. So, who is it for? If you are a founder, a small business owner, or a freelancer who needs a real site or a working internal tool this week, and you were never going to learn to code, Lovable is excellent, and it pays for itself in 1 project. Who should skip it? Anyone whose main product is complex or handles sensitive data, and anyone who needs a predictable monthly bill, because credits are not that. My verdict: start on the free plan, spend those 30 credits on 1 small real project, and see if the output looks like something you would actually ship. If it does, the link in my description gets you the best price available on Lovable right now, and it is the cheapest developer you will ever hire. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.